What's going on? Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, #1 channel, all things blue collar. If you've been following along with the recent job we're on, you saw us putting conveyors up, putting silos up, and we're towards the end of the job. You can see back here behind me, the guys are over here, they're cleaning everything up, and all the silos are in place, conveyors are in place, the conveyor feeding the storage right here is all in place. So I'm gonna throw the drone up in the air, give you some good aerial shots of the whole plant complete and done. I'm gonna head on out of here. I'm not going to drag up, but I'm gonna roll on up out of here. So check out the finished product, and oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.